First, let me explain one thing. I am a normal person. Actually, I am so normal that I border on boring. My name is Faith Emerson. I am 27 years old, I teach high school English, and I've lived in Minnesota for my entire life. However, I do have one quirk, as you may call it. I have always felt I'm psychic. Most of my friends and family laugh at me for this, and lately I can't blame them. I didn't predict being abducted, after all. Granted, my psychic abilities have never been incredibly potent, but it used to be I'd always know when something bad was about to happen because my skin would hurt. In turn, when something good was about to happen, my toes would itch. That said, the best place to begin my story is in Duluth, Minnesota, approximately 2 years ago. The remarkable chain of events, which ultimately led to my abduction, began with what else? A guy. However, they say when one door closes, another opens. Little did I know I was about to open several new doors, which would lead me toward danger, adventure, self-discovery, and possibly even love.